In our classroom, we used visuals in different ways. Over here, we would have, let's say, a board with like visuals with pictos and words so that we can enhance like what their job expectations are for the day. In our classroom, we have a lot of different things that help out. Like we have signs, where's the tech bar and where's our work area, where's our Zen zone. For the students that are nonverbal, or even some who have a language barrier that they're trying to learn the English language, we like to use things like the whiteboards because sometimes verbal communication is not enough. So on a white clear board like this, we would have them like write down the question and then they can answer it more clearly when you also do self-starter questions, like last night and then they can finish the question. So a lot of times when you're just instead of trying to just ask someone verbally, it's nice to use these. So this student, his personal goal is to try to speak English, but not only just one word, but I'm trying to increase it to like very simple 3-word sentences. So even just starting with good morning and then a line so that he knows, insert the name of that person. So we wrote it in Mandarin, and then he's going to practice saying it. And so that will be his homework.